Welcome to 1 Minute Riddle. Today it's riddle number 32. On a rainy night in the state of Maine, there was a big crash involving a plane. The plane was destroyed, no longer could fly, every single man and woman would die. Yet two survivors would both walk away, the two of them flew the very next day. To their good fortune, much thanks did they give. How is it these two both managed to live? The solution is the two survivors were married to each other. Thank you for visiting 1 Minute Riddle.